Do you know, I found that traditional time management workshops set you up for failure. So why do I say that? Well, back years ago, when I went from supervising 17 team members to managing a team of just over 100, my days fell apart. I couldn't get anything done. Up till then I was pretty good at time management, but now the interruptions, the distractions, everything that was going on, I couldn't get anything done. So I went and did a time management workshop. And what I found was that workshop taught me what I already knew. It taught me how to plan, create my vision, set my goals, plan how I'm going to achieve the goals, plan my week, plan my day, and a little bit about procrastination. But what happened was that I come back to work and it didn't change the situation. I arrived at work and all of a sudden straight away the faces will be in the door wanting to know this, wanting to ask me questions on this, wanted to know how this happens, how we do that. The phone would start ringing and my day was just flat out. And I get to the end of the day and my to-do list had a couple of minor things ticked off, but the things I really needed to get done weren't done. But I'd done a time management workshop. I was supposed to be able to now manage my time. So why is it that you can go and do a time management workshop and then come back and not be able to get anything done? When I speak at varying events and stuff like that, I get that feedback all the time. People, they did the workshop, but they just couldn't get anything done. It's because nothing changed in your day. The only thing that changed was your ability to plan and your desire to get things done. Nothing else in your day had changed. And on top of that, you had only learnt 10% of the skills needed to take control of your day. That training workshop didn't teach me anything about how do I stop the interruptions, how do I stop people coming in the door all the time. It didn't teach me anything about controlling the distractions in my head or things that I was wanting to do or the phones or anything. And it didn't teach me much on how to actually really stop putting things off and making sure I did them now. And they are 90% of the process. I don't know if you've taken much notice, but the reality is you can plan all you want, you can have your to-do list, but it's getting it done is the problem. That's the other 90%. How do you stop all what happens in your day and take control to get it done? And what I found was that there were some skills that I learned over the years that I gradually got better at what I was doing when it came to managing and controlling my day. And they were skills to do with how I grew and developed my team, understanding marketing in the organisations that I was with so I could make sure I knew I had the right people doing it, creating a sustainable business so it could operate without me having to be there all the time. Those sorts of skills are what are needed to actually get your day back under control and stop all the interruptions in your day. So I spent some time and looked back over the training I'd done, and what I did was I picked out the key skills that I saw that had impact on my ability to control my day. And what I then did was put them together in a program that I'd been working with clients now for years, and I was able to get them getting time back in their day, to the extent of getting people from working 7 days a week down to 3 and 4 days a week. And also I've got a client today, Monday, that's just taken off on an 8-week holiday overseas with their family. She used to work 7 days a week flat out, couldn't get any time off. So I then created the program. We've now put it online as an online training program available to you that you can simply subscribe to. And if you want, you could also then add to that a one-to-one or group coaching program that you can be involved with to help you build up the learning of those skills. But the reality is, when you go and do a traditional time management workshop, you are going to get back at the office and you're actually not going to be able to get anything done because no one has taught you anything about how you start to reduce those interruptions in your day and the distractions. You learn a little bit on how to stop putting things off, But the problem is those interruptions, those distractions and that are such a nuisance and pain that you start to put things off, even though you mightn't have beforehand. Those skills, there's quite a range of skills in personal skills and people management and leadership skills, that when you develop those skills, you start to take back control of your day and your time management starts to get significantly better than what you may be experiencing now. So if you want to find out a little bit more about how to get back control of your day so as you can get things done and start to achieve the things you want to achieve, just drop me a line and I'll get back to you, and we can take you through what sort of skills that are required, where you're up to now and what you need to develop to get it done. Bye for now.